Have we created the ultimate wolf in sheep's clothing? This started life as a luxury SUV that was destined for school runs and shopping mall trips. What Lexus has engineered was completely modified to be an absolute rock-crawling beast. Let's check it out.
All my homies spin the block, hit the gas, hit the gas.
Now Lexus didn't just make this thing look tough. They actually built it on Toyota's legendary TNGA-F platform. That's the same bones as a Toyota Prado 250 and the Land Cruiser 300. From the factory, you get a 3.4 litre twin-turbo V6 pushing 260 kilowatts, 650 Newton meters of torque. That's some decent power. But here's the thing, Lexus built this vehicle for boardroom comfort, not boulder climbing. That's where we come in. Just look at the transformation we've done with this Lexus GX550. This is the new Sierra bullbar, purposely built just for this car. Look at that clearance. You can go rock climbing, you can go through muds, river crossing, no problem at all. Completely transforms that look. Where the original bumper will be scraping, cracking, and will stop you dead in your tracks. Look at how we've designed the front of this bar. The normal driving lights are nice for the city, but when you're out in the bush, you need that extra light. So we've integrated a 30-inch light bar. You can have the option without it or with it. This is the actual Hammer 30-inch light bar. Now the light bar is protected. We do have the steel part of the bull bar. We have this nice finishing with the Hammer logo. A lot more distance, a lot more clearance, a lot more vision when you're out in the bush. If you are doing a serious build and you are looking at going off-roading, you do need a 3-piece underbody protection. It's going to protect you from all those rocks, all those debris, help you with the water crossing so you don't damage anything underneath. The original protection that you get from Lexus is great if you are going to continue using it as city driving, but if you are taking off-road, look into that. We do have this available, and we will chuck on a hoist so you can see. For our one, we've actually color-coded it to match the car. Look at this roof rack. This is a Hammer flat rack. If you're serious off-roading and you need that extra storage, this is one of the main options for you. Now, we do have T-slots integrated, so we do have a new Hammer grab handle. We can insert into those T-slots, or you can use it for extra light. And we have the option for this roof rack to actually use and integrate a MOLLE panel, so you do have that available here. Very strong. Suction cups do hold that panel in place as well. On top of that, this sunroof. A lot of people want to use the sunroof and want to have that view. We can actually remove the front 2 panels in there so you can have the sunroof and not have any issues opening or closing that sunroof. Now on the front of this roof rack, we have the new Ruby work light. They come standard with daytime running lights. You can choose white or amber. It integrates nicely in the T-slot on the front of this roof rack. Since this is a Japanese built car, we had to find some Japanese wheels. So we eventually found Ray's Engineering. It's a bit extreme, but look at that wheel poke and that nice stance. So these are 17-inch Ray's wheels from Japan, ZE40X with an offset of positive 15. And the tires, they're Wild Peaks All-Terrains 315-70 R17s.
And no one makes me feel like you do.
So this is what happens when you take the Prado 250 and make it full-on luxury. Then take that luxury and make it into an off-road beast. We are going to do some side sets and we are looking at a rear bar as well for this car. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button.